In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to secure your WhatsApp with biometric lock. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about WhatsApp tips. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome my friends. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you enable your fingerprint on your phone. So if you are using Android phone, what you need to do is to make sure you go to settings. Then from settings right here, you have to head over to your security. Then from here, you have to make sure you click on fingerprint. Then apply your lock pattern. At this point here, you have to click on add fingerprint. Then the instruction here is that avoid oiling dirty wet fingers. Keep fingerprint reader clear. Please enroll a fingerprint. Now you should be able to locate where a fingerprint sensor can be found. Maybe it can be at the back of your phone or beside of your phone. So from my phone right here, we have fingerprint beside right here. So I'm going to make sure I click on next right here. But before that, you have to make sure that you make fingerprint sensor clear and it's not dirty, it's not oiling. So which I'm going to do first. So after cleaning the surface of the fingerprint, make sure that your finger also is not oiling. Having done that, next thing you need to do is to click on next. Then I have to place my fingerprint. So keep placing it and scan it. So place your finger. Okay, finished. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on finish right here. So fingerprint scan successful, finished. So we have successfully had a fingerprint into this particular account. So I'm going to exit from here now. Then I'll head over to my WhatsApp. So right here, I'm going to click on my WhatsApp right here. Then I'll get into my WhatsApp. Next thing I need to do is to click on these three dots at the top right here. Then I'll make sure I navigate to settings. Then I'll go to privacy. Then from privacy section, I have to scroll down. Then I'll make sure I look for app lock. Then right here, unlock with biometrics. I'll make sure I enable this. Then I'll have to make sure I place my fingerprint. Boom, it has successfully recognized. Then you can decide to automatically lock immediately, after 1 minute, after 30 minutes, depends on how you want it. So I'm going to put it in immediately. Then I will simply click on here to go back. Then by the time I exit from the WhatsApp, then I click on here again to open up my WhatsApp. So let's see. It will ask me to use my fingerprint to access the WhatsApp. So I will just put my fingerprint right here. Boom, it will take me in automatically without any stress. So this is how to secure your WhatsApp with biometric lock. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.